Hello everyone. In the today's topic, I want to explain you what is corona. I mean to say, you have how to differentiate coronavirus then from normal cough, sneezing, or cold, common cold, or flu. Okay, there is some rumors between the many peoples that if anyone sneezes or any dry cough happen, then the people get to consider that this will be the coronavirus, but that was not the exact case. Okay, so in today's topic I will explain you that what is coronavirus. I mean to say how to identify corona than other things. Okay, let's get consider one thing. Main thing, remember, every cough is not a coronavirus. I repeat, every cough is not a coronavirus. Okay, so let's get clear with the other ppt. First thing, if there is a dry cough and sneezing, then it is a normal air pollution. Because of air pollution these things happen. Okay, second thing, if any person dry cough, sneezing, sputum, okay, and additionally running nose, okay, continuously running nose, so in that case it will be the common cold. Okay, third thing, viral fever, having this about these symptoms. Let If someone's have dry cough, okay, sneezing, okay, and then sputum, continuously running nose, body pain in the body, having weakness, and common cold. Okay, so normal fever. Okay, so in this condition it was a viral fever. Okay, let me clear you, in all the three conditions there is, if all all symptoms happen, okay, consider these symptoms. Okay, there is no coronavirus symptoms happen. Okay, additionally, last one I want to explain you, coronavirus. Okay, so in coronavirus what happen, the patient should have the patient having cough, having sneezing, next sputum, next thing, running nose, body pain, having weakness, common cold, and last and the most thing is difficulty in breathing. Okay, so this will be the coronavirus. Let's get clear you, in above three condition there is no difficulty in breathing. Okay, so whenever there is a difficulty in breathing, and this all symptoms has been shown, so okay, so it will be the coronavirus. Understand? So please take the screenshot of this ppt from your cell phone or screen. Okay, so you can circulate with your friends or neighborhoods or your loved beings, families. Okay, so they can understand what is the difference between dry cough, sneezing, running nose. Okay, so that is the my main intention to show you this video. Okay, so additionally I want to say you that stay at the home, never go outside the home. Okay, when you have any important work, then you should go out of the home. Okay, and last and the most thing, understand what the government had saying you, respect the police, nurses, doctors, and every health professionalist. Okay, also the emergency workers, the staffs or professions, those who are work in this pandemics situation, having a lockdown. Okay, and additionally, respect all the person. Okay, and never spread the rumors, and take the serious about the coronavirus. Okay, and the right now I am recorded this video. The patients in India are more than 20,000. Okay, and comparing to all other country, in India there is a very slowly development in coronavirus. I mean to say, I thanks to government that also I thanks to every Indian person who have given positively, who have given serious about the lockdown. Okay, because of that reason the corona pandemic is slowly developed, not big uh, big patients, not more patients happen in India compared to other country, because the government had taken the right decision at the right time, so that we have still now there is a good condition. it was not approx good condition, but compared to other country, I mean to say it was a enough good condition. Okay, so I request to all of you, let's break the chain of coronavirus, and let's understand this pandemic issue, and respect the all doctors, I mean to say health professionalists, including police staff, uh, Jawans. Okay, so that is my main intention this PPT. So, and finally I mean to say you consider this all symptoms, and understand, take the screenshot and save in your mobile phones and share with your family and friends. Thank you so much.